Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Testing Education. In today's lecture, we are going to cover one of the most important grammar topics for FPSC English preparation, that is past tense. This topic is extremely important for FPSC, PPSC, lecturer tests, and all competitive exams. So stay focused till the end because I will also discuss common FPSC mistakes and a quick revision strategy. So first of all, we know about what is past tense. Past tense shows actions that already happened. It often uses ed for regular verbs and irregular ones change forms. There are four types of past tense. The first one is past indefinite, the second one is past continuous, the third one is past perfect, and the fourth one is past perfect continuous. So students, these four forms test your verb forms knowledge, helping verbs usage, sentence structure, and a time expression understanding. Now let's study each type in detail. The first one is simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. It often occurs with adverbs or adverb phrases of past time. Its structure for positive sentences is subject plus second form of verb. Structure for negative sentences is subject plus did not plus first form of verb. And its structure for interrogative sentences is did plus subject plus first form of verb. Students here remember that after did never use second form of verb, did always bring the verb back to its first form. Some examples of past indefinite are the first one is he went home, the second one is she wrote a letter, the third one is did they complete work, the fourth one is he did not attend class. Now the second form is past continuous. The past continuous is used to denote an action going on at some time in the past. The time of the action may or may not be indicated. Its structure for positive sentences is subject plus was or were plus first form of verb plus ing. Its structure for negative sentences is subject plus was or were not plus first form of verb plus ing. And its structure for interrogative sentences is was or were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus question mark. Students was is used with singular and a were is used with plural. Examples of past continuous are the first one is she was reading, the second one is they were playing cricket, the third one is was he sleeping, the fourth one is we are studying at 8 p.m. Now past perfect. Past perfect describes an action completed before a certain moment in the past. Students simply we say one action happened before another action in the past. Its structure for positive sentences is subject plus had plus third form of verb. Structure for negative sentences is subject plus had not plus third form of verb. And its structure for interrogative sentences is had plus subject plus third form of verb. Examples of past perfect is the first one is he had finished work before leaving, the second one is she had completed the task, and the third one is had they arrived. So students never forget had plus third form of verb is rule of distance. Now the final one is past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continue up to that time. Students simply we say distance shows duration before another past action. Its structure for positive sentences is subject plus had been plus first form of verb plus ing plus since are for. Students keep it in your mind since and for that are your signals of distance. Its structure for negative sentences is subject plus had not been plus first form of verb plus ing, and its structure for interrogative sentences is had plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. Past perfect continuous always focus on duration. Examples of past perfect continuous are the first one is she had been studying for 2 hours, the second one is they had been working since morning. And let's expose common FPSC mistakes. The first one is using second form after did. The second one is mixing present and the past. The third one is confusing was and a were. The fourth one is forgetting had in past perfect. So students, these mistakes are not grammar problems. These are attention problems. Students, if you want full command on sorry students, if you want full command, so revise all these things daily. The first one is learn a second form of verb and a third form of verbs daily. The second one is revise helping verbs like did, was, were, had. And the third one is practice MCQs daily. The fourth one is solve past papers. So students, this is all from my side. Now it's your turn, practice and revise. If this lecture helped you, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Testing Education for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.